What are y'all doing? I'm getting out of the way. Amy, what are you doing?
I can't make flowers. Grandma.
You're trying to make flowers?
I need some pink.
You need pink? Okay. Well, Amy just dumped all your water out.
Why?
I don't know why.
No.
Amy, we're going to get some water and put some pink coloring in it. You want to make it pink?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa.
Gina, can you put some water in the bowl for Cuppy, please?
Yes, pink.
Okay, bring it over.
Here you go.
Okay, mix it all up.
It's red. No.
It's pink. Whoa. Gina, put that in the bucket, in the wagon, please. Amy, good job. Oh, your feet are purple.
I'm so sorry.
Where's your caterpillar?
Oh, I let him go.
Oh,
Grandma,
okay.
I need some new pants.
You need new pants?
Uh-huh.
That's why I told you not to take your swimsuit off. Just take your pants off, honey.
I need some swimsuits.
A swimsuit?
Mhm.
Okay. I'll go get it.
Ants. Watch out for ants.